Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn AWS. Starting your AWS learning journey requires understanding foundational services. Focus on core offerings like Amazon EC2 for virtual servers, S3 for scalable storage, and Lambda for serverless computing. Select a learning path that aligns with your career aspirations, whether it's solutions architect or developer. Remember, practical application is key to mastering these powerful cloud technologies. Gaining practical experience is vital for learning AWS effectively. Leverage the AWS free tier to experiment with services without incurring costs. Build small, focused projects, such as hosting a static website or deploying a simple application, to solidify your knowledge. Actively participate in online labs and workshops to gain guided, hands-on practice. Connecting with AWS communities offers valuable insights and networking opportunities. AWS certifications are an excellent way to validate your expertise and advance your career. Begin with a foundational certification, such as the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, to establish a strong base. As you progress, consider specializing in areas like security, networking, or machine learning to deepen your skills. The cloud landscape changes rapidly, so commit to continuous learning and staying updated with new services and features. As you advance, delve into more complex AWS services, including containerization with ECS or EKS, and various database options. Grasping DevOps principles within AWS is crucial for efficient development and deployment. When preparing for job interviews, focus on practical scenarios and problem-solving using AWS services. Look for roles that encourage ongoing skill development and provide opportunities to work with cutting-edge cloud technologies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.